New stuff. New stuff. New stuff. All right, fine. That was weak. That was weak. Anyways, today's aim, we're going to be, the first part, at least the 20 minutes, we're going to evaluate functions graphically. And I gave you guys all out a worksheet, and this is what's on the worksheet. True? True story? True story, morning glory? Okay. Now, how do you do this? How do you do this? The easy way to do it is the following. Do you see the question down over here? Anybody want to read that for me? F at 1. F at 1. And so here's what you do. Whenever you see this and you see a graph, I want you to put a parenthesis right underneath it. Just like that. Just as if it was a coordinate. Now, what normally goes inside of this parenthesis spot? What went inside that parenthesis spot yesterday? Was it an X or was it a Y? It was an X. Very good, Hannah. And so this, you just put in the X spot. Now, find the other coordinate, the Y coordinate, if X is 1. What is it? That's the answer. That's how you do these. Don't worry. Don't worry. No. Yeah, just plot the point. Let's play again. Let's play again. No, that's not the answer on your answer key because you have different multiple choice answers. Take a look. I know. There was just my bad. There was just a mistake made. My bad. Okay. Oh, it's okay. All right. You ready? Let's try the second one. Let's try the second one. Sure, we're going to put up our parenthesis markers. We're going to sub -2 in for the X spot. So what's the answer? C. Do me a favor. Take like 30 seconds and try 3. Let's see. We had some practice time. Number 3. Let me do it at the board real quickly. Go over 3, and it's definitely 1. Very nice. Take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes and do the last 4, 5, and 6, and then we're going to move on to new stuff. Liberty. Diana came to the board and went through the problems, and she did an amazing job. Go Diana, and it's great, fantastic. All right, the second part of our lesson today is we're going to study compositions, and this is something that it's probably going to take us 2 or 3 days of practice to learn. Compositions. Does anybody, the easiest way for you to memorize this is, has anybody heard of something called a turducken? Chicken and a duck. Does anybody know when it's served, what it is? It's a type of food. Yeah. Hannah, so yeah. What they do is, it's the most fattening thing you could eat for Thanksgiving. Yeah, they stuff a chicken. I'm sorry, they stuff a duck. They take that and they stuff a chicken and they put the duck inside of the chicken. And then they take that combination and they take it and they put it inside of a turkey. It's all meat. It's all meat. But it's one thing. Come on. I know. The whole point of me telling you this story is it relates to composition of functions in that it's one thing inside of another. Almost like see, a lot of you have never seen these before. Do you ever see those eggs they sell in Russia?
Yeah, the golden egg.
Not the golden eggs. not the Cadbury eggs. The ones where it's like a smaller yeah, it's like one inside the other. That's what this is. Okay. So, in order to solve problem number 1, you have to figure out the inside first. Okay? Inside out. I want you to find g at 2 first. So, how do you find g at 2? How much is it worth? Well, it's directly what we did yesterday. Right? Here's the equation. How much is g at 2 worth? No, just 8. G at 2 is worth 8 because, look, we subbed out the x and we put a 2. So that's going to be 4 times 2, and that's equal to 8. All right. So we found that g at 2 equals 8, which means that we could sub this out with this. Do you see that? G at 2 equals 8. And so really, instead of saying g at 2 on the inside, I could say this. This is the same thing of saying f at 8. Whoops, that's a messed up line. How much is f at 8? So instead of x, we put, an 8. And that's going to be 8 plus 5. And that's going to be 13. And that's our final answer. Okay. That's awesome. All right. Let's play again. So you're given the same equations, and all I'm asking you to do is find a different value. I want you to find f of g at 0. Guys, let's take a look at Meg's work. What do you think? Did you guys get the same answers? Oh my God, is this easy? Do you think we should practice another one? It is like the same thing as the other one. Sure. You can even use fractions. Let me try one more time, and I'm just going to switch it up on you. I want you to see that it doesn't always have to be the f in the front, that it could be the g as well. So, f of x is going to be equal to x plus 5. What was g of x equal to? G of x equals 4x. And now let's do find g of f of 0.5. Oh, good luck, my friends. May the force be with you.